commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, 31st of October is marked as National Unity Day. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel served India as the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister. In 2014, India decided to celebrate the birth anniversary of Sardar Patel as National Unity Day. Many memorable events were held at different Indian embassies on this occasion. A 182-meter-long statue of Sardar Patel was inaugurated on 31st October 2018. With due respect to Sardar Patel, people celebrate this day with great excitement. Schools celebrate this day by organizing different events and activities. Many famous personalities offer flowers to the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This day promotes the unity and harmony among people. This day aims to provide a tribute to the Iron Man of India. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.